Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're signed in, so start in Gmail settings now. Click the gear, choose See All Settings, then open Accounts and Import. This is where Gmail controls the name attached to outgoing mail. Once there, find Send Mail As and click Edit Info next to the address you want to change. You're doing this first because changing the Send Mail As entry alters what recipients see immediately versus other profile edits that can take longer to propagate. Now, click Edit Info and a dialog opens. Type the new display name in the provided field. You can include a middle initial or professional title if needed. Make sure to select the radio button for the new name so Gmail uses it for outgoing mail, and then click Save Changes. If you use an alias or external send as address, follow the verification prompt. Google may send a confirmation code to that address, and you must enter it to finalize the change. Finish by composing a test email to another account and check the From display. You should see the new name immediately if you change Send Mail As. If you updated your Google account name instead, make sure to allow up to 24 hours for the change to sync everywhere. If the old name still appears, clear browser cache, sign out and back in, or verify with your G Suite administrator. Managed accounts can block direct name changes, and that's the most common roadblock.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.